it's me, Mr. P from Papapodcasts. And in these Viewers Challenge, I challenge you, the viewer, to predict the end results for the following video. So in the comments below, what I want you to do is I want you to watch the video. And using the knowledge that you've learned in your chemistry class, I want you to predict the type of reaction that is taking place. I'd like you to write a balanced chemical equation and explain what evidence you predict will happen that will prove that a chemical reaction has taken place. Good luck with the challenge. In this station, what we're going to do is we're actually going to burn a piece of magnesium ribbon. And in order to do that, well, we need a couple of things. Well, first off, safety goggles for all these stations. A must. I'm going to be looking out for that when you guys are working on the lab, and so will your lab teacher if you're not actually in one of my classes. Anyhow, what we're going to be using here is what magnesium ribbon looks like. Right? It's just coiled up, and what we're going to do is we're going to just cut off just a little piece just like that. I'm going to actually have it probably pre-cut for you. Just use one, please, because this stuff really a lot of students love to try to burn through it. We're going to be using the Bunsen burner. So I do have a video on how to light a Bunsen burner, but I'm just going to kind of do a quick little demo on how to light the Bunsen burner. So what we do is we're going to open up the gas valve. We're going to let gas go through it, and what we're going to do, light the Bunsen burner. And there we have it. And what we want to do is we want to be able to get a blue flame. So we've got controls to the amount of gas coming through from the bottom here or from this valve. We can control the amount of oxygen through this little air inlet that controls the amount of oxygen to allow for greater combustion, or so-called the complete combustion, where we're letting lots and lots of oxygen. If you don't like the Bunsen burner, one thing to make note of, after about 20 seconds, even 15 seconds of not being able to light it, please turn this off. You don't want the gas stinking up the room. I've had students get nauseous from the smell of the gas. Anyhow, for safety, what you're going to do is, here we've got these metal tongs. You're going to hold with the metal tongs your piece of magnesium ribbon, and you're going to burn it. And preferably try to hold the piece of magnesium towards that inner blue flame. And that's what we're going to do. And what we're going to do is actually, I'm going to demo this demonstration. You're going to tell me in the lab report what kind of reaction occurs and what forms. So we have a silver metallic piece of metal, of magnesium metal, and we are going to burn it. So be careful also, it gives off quite the color, quite the light, so do not look directly at the flame. So here we go. Note the color of the magnesium. Okay. And once you are done, carefully discard it onto this little piece of glass. And once you're done, turn off the gas. Make sure your area is tidied and move on to the next station.